Opposition leader Advocate NelsonchamIsa has dismissed claims of his involvement in a planned nationwide protest on March 31, 2025, while signaling openness to coalition talks with progressive forces. Chamisa speaks on March 31 national shutdown, and on top of that, I'm open for any dialogue. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. The mass demonstration, spearheaded by exiled former ZANU-PF Central Committee member Blessed Geza, aims to oppose attempts by President mnangagwa's loyalists to extend his final term from 2028 to 2030. Geza, a former intelligence operative now wanted by police for allegedly theft and other crimes, has called for mass action against mnangagwa's government. He alleges that Chamisa, alongside former Finance Minister Tendai Biti and former MP Jobu Wiwaskala, is backing the protest to hasten mnangagwa's removal from power. However, Chamisa swiftly rejected these assertions, emphasizing his non-involvement. Taking to social media, he clarified, "I wanted to clarify that my door is always open to speak with anyone who reaches out to me for constructive conversations and nation building, but I've not been involved in recent dialogues with anyone. I do not want to be made the focal point of things that have nothing to do with me." Despite Chamisa's denial, Geza insists that key opposition figures, including Chamisa, Skala, Biti, Komichi, and Ngonzora, have engaged in talks and support VP Chiwenga as an alternative to Mnangagwa. The situation pankwa ito aizinomira zvakanaka. Tiona kuti aiwa chaos iri kuroka. Tiona kuti NelsonchamIsa mutungamiriri opposition achiramba achiti aiwa inini handina nechekuita pamaprotest ari kumusoro 31 March. At the same time, tiona bombshell Geza aiwa ne confidence in his address. Panapa tiona anotaura achiti aiwa he has spoken nema-opposition leaders kuti aiwa these protests must be successful. Subscribe or like on the bell icon.